Cichlid. On a Stanko? No shot.
Wow.
Oh no, I found it. It's so big.
It's so big. Oh, where you going? Where you going?
He's a monster.
Oh crap.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he went from behind. That is not a good dip. But I appreciate it, little Charles.
Wow.
My gosh, he's a giant.
That's a monster.
It's a monster. It's a monster. Wow, that's a big one. Whoa! He's at least 13 pounds. That's got a really heavy duty rod.
Bro, holy crap, that thing's massive. Whoa, what is that?